Hello guys, my name is Kyriakoulakos and I come from Greece. I want to share with you some fantastic gains from the lessons that I have done with Jordan about the YouTube course and etc. Personally, I was completely irrelevant to the subject, and after the training followed, I was able to make many clients based here in Greece. This is the place that I live, and I'm working also. And I manage for the business the YouTube channels. So one day I get in a professional level, and I believe that was an expert in that. And finally I am, because all the businesses here in Greece was very thankful for me, because I managed the channel amazing good. I was a professional now, and in that area, and personally I make a lot of money with the handling of the YouTube channels, and also I make my channel to promote myself. The knowledge in this course was very professionally, and is too much knowledge that make you so smart enough to go to the next level. And after that is your choice how many money you can make, because you have already know the knowledge. So I think that course should cost up to $1,500 for sure, but it's not so expensive. So I suggest you to go ahead and buy it. I'm very thankful for the Jordan and this amazing course. Thank you very much.